Okay, scholars, we are translating algebraic expressions, and the keywords that we need are for addition are sum. I like to write in red, so I'm just going to, and total plus more than increased by and added to. Feel free to pause the video if I'm moving too fast for you. It'll always be there. The words for subtraction are difference minus decreased by less than, which is a turnaround word. And just if you just draw this on here, I'll explain it to you later. Subtracted from, oh, it just won't let me do it right today. Subtracted from is also a turnaround word. And reduced by. The words for multiplication are product times of multiplied by double or triple and twice. The words for division are quotient divided by, separate, half or third, the ratio of, and broken into. Please make sure that you are writing these in your journal on page 14 in your interactive notebook. On page 14. We're going to move now to page 15 of your interactive notebook. If you don't have these pages, please be sure and see me. Okay, the keywords for equality and inequalities are the equal signs are equals, equals, is the same as, yields, results in, and equivalent to. Okay. Less than sign is less than, or is fewer than. And you know it's the less than sign because you read from left to right, and the small end means less than. And with that being said, the wide end means greater than. And the keywords for that are is, greater than is more than. Okay. So this one is less than or equal to. And the keywords are, of course, is less than or equal to, at most, no more than. Oh gosh, okay, so I need to erase that. Try it again. No more than, and maximum. The next one is greater than or equal to, and the words are is greater than or equal to, at least, no less than, and minimum. Okay. When you see parentheses, your keywords are times the sum of, times the difference of, decreased by the sum of, or decreased by the difference of. Okay, and again, your turnaround words are less than and subtracted from, and we'll give you some examples of that. Okay, let's try a few of these. When we're talking about turnaround words, we are looking for the words than and from. Okay, so again, the example is less than or subtracted from. When we are talking about parentheses, we're looking for times the. You all can probably hear my puppy is sleeping next to me snoring. Just ignore her. Okay, so the examples are times the sum of, and another one is times the difference of. And again, this page is on page 16 of your interactive notebook. So let's do a few of these. Number one, the difference of a number and 12. The difference means to subtract. So it would be, an number is the variable. So the difference of a number and 12 would be x minus 12. Now you can use any variable, doesn't matter which variable you use. Number 5 is a turnaround word because that's less than. A number is a variable. So a turnaround word means that whatever comes after this phrase is going to be first when you write it as an expression, as a numerical expression. So a number n less than 7. N squared less than 7.